Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rank up in Gym Star Simulator. So here we go. This is a Gym Star Simulator. You can play it in a Roblox. So here I made this video is for beginner. So I made a new account. This is the first day. For first gameplay in the first day. So here we go. In order to rank up, see there is a rank icon here in the sidebar, so you can click, and here we go. In order to upgrade your rank from novice to tough guy, you have to increase your stamina, chest, abs, back, arms, and leg. For example, for stamina, you have to use this thing here, and here we go. So recommended here, you can increase to 6, 9. So here we go. It means you don't have enough stamina. You need 190 stamina in order to run in 9 mph. So here, this is for ideally for 6 mph. So here, this is the stamina. You have to fulfill the stamina up to 300. Here we go. And let's try something else. For this one, this is how you can build your chest. Here, my chest is already finished, but you can try to adjust this chest. So maximum is 10 weight here. So all you need is just click to begin. Or you can use this feature, auto train.